Help! Paano po maggawa ng password? Every once in a while, guys, nakikita ko yan sa aking comment section. I try my best to reply to those comments, but I think it's good na gawa natin ng video. Merong iba na sayang yung qualifications dahil hindi makalusot sa very first step ng kahit sa pag-create ng account, diba? So, that is why for today's video, it's all about creating a password. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. You're here in another episode of Utang Talks with Ate Red. Anong kinalaman ng password? Syempre kasi yung password, that is one of the very first steps na kailangan yung gawin para makapag-loan. And having a password, a good password, helps na ma-secure yung account nyo at hindi magamit ng kung sino-sino pa, diba? Notice ko guys na yung iba are kind of clueless or needs a little help sa pag-create ng password. Kaya ginawa ko yung video na to. Bago ang lahat guys ha, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing because here we talk about loan platforms, anything about utang. And every Friday, gumagawa po tayo ng mga ganitong mga video where we talk about other things related to utang. Hindi tayo nagpo-focus on just one particular loan app alone. Bago tayo mapunta sa ating main topic, shout out nga pala sa Mika Liz Cordova 67. Pa-shout out Ate Red, I'm your follower from Facebook, YouTube, Facebook to TikTok. Wow. Astrophile Gem, hi Ate Red. Good morning, pa-shout out sa lahat ng OFW sa Kuwait. Speaking of TikTok, please, kung meron kayo nakikita sa TikTok na ginagamit yung profile picture ko or kahit na sino man at nagsasabi na message me at nag-aalok ng loan guys, tayong kaibigan, iwasan nyo na lang guys, especially po yung mga humihingi ng advance fee. Most likely, it's just a trap. Ivy Deliger, Ate Red, shout out for Ivy from Cebu, avid fan, 3 years no. Thank you so much. And one special person guys, Iron Kim Lee, shout out sa'yo. Ang sabi niya, iwasan yung paarte effect na facial reaction, nakakairita. Lee, ito yung sa'yo. Creating a password is pinaka-basic yan sa pag, sa pag-a-apply ng loan, especially sa mga digital loan platforms because having a password keeps your account secure. And nanonotice nyo guys that the more legit the loan app, the more tricky it is to create a password. Kasi kailangan nila ng certain, may instructions kung paano gumawa ng password. So, other loan apps naman, napaka-basic. Yun lang yung instruction. So, you can put whatever character you want, letters, numbers, whatever, basta maalala nyo lang. Kasi it's so irritating na mamaya every once in a while nagpapa-reset ng password. And merong ibang mga loan apps like Bilease na may specific instructions sa pag-create ng password. And this is what I want to focus on for today's episode. I'm sure na-encounter nyo na rin to with other loan apps, especially the very legit ones. They will have instructions like must have at least 8 characters, contains upper and lower case, contains numbers and characters. So, dapat yung lahat ng to must be met. Notice ko, based sa mga comments na nababasa ko sa comment section, na may iba na needs a little help understanding kung paano gawin to. Let's start with number 1, has at least 8 characters. What does this mean? Dapat 8 or more. Numbers, letters, whatever you want to put it. So, 8 characters. Dapat upper and lower case. In simple terms, uppercase means bold letters, big letters, capital letters. And then lower cases means yung mga small letters. At least merong big letter, merong small letter. And then finally contains numbers and characters. Ito naman yung nasa taas ng keyboard no, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 or yung mga special characters. So, dapat may capital, may small letter, may number, and may special character. So, yun po yun, guys. Siyempre, yung mga legit kasi na mga loan apps, ayaw nila na basta-basta na lang tayo naglalagay ng birth date because it's so easy to guess. Madaling ma-hack yung account nyo pag ganon. Some, nag-OTP lang, login ka na. Pero, nanonotice ko talaga sa mga legit na mga online loan platforms like Bilease na meron po silang specific criteria na dapat mo i-meet para makapag-create ng password. I think it's the same for CIMB-PH. So guys, pag sinabing uppercase and lowercase letter, uppercase is capital letters, big letter, and lowercase is yung small letters. So, yun guys, please follow instructions and make sure guys na you create a password that's not easy to guess. Hindi siya madaling hulaan. Pero at the same time, hindi nyo rin makalimutan. It's annoying, but it's a must. Para iwas scam, iwas hacking, at tayo lang yung dapat na may access sa ating account. So I hope these things help you guys. At kung may comments pa kayo or questions pa kayo regarding or that have questions that have anything to do with online loan platforms, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. We'll create a video for the benefit of everyone. Kung hindi ka pa subscribe, please subscribe to this channel because you will learn stuff like this. So, that's all for today. I'll see you on my next Utang Talk with Ate Red episode. Bye!